Hello, everyone, and welcome to our June 2026 monthly U.S. Africa Business Roundup. We have some exciting news to share this month, so let's get right to it. We are thrilled to announce that the 2026 U.S. Africa Business Summit will now take place December 6th through 9th in Mauritius. As many of you know, earlier this month, CCA and our co-host, the government of Mauritius, made the difficult but responsible decision to postpone the summit due to the Ebola outbreak in Central Africa, given that the health and safety of our participants is always our highest priority. The decision to set the new summit date follows extensive consultations with public health experts, government authorities, and key stakeholders regarding the Ebola outbreak in Central Africa. After carefully assessing the evolving public health situation and developing appropriate risk mitigation measures, CCA and the government of Mauritius have determined that December 2026 will provide the best opportunity to safely convene Africa's premier U.S. Africa business and investment gathering. We are grateful to the government of Mauritius for their partnership and steadfast commitment to making this summit a reality. The U.S. Africa Business Summit is our signature annual event, bringing together African heads of state and government, senior U.S. and African government officials, business leaders, investors, development finance institutions, and policymakers from across Africa and the United States to advance trade, investment, and commercial partnerships. Holding the summit in Mauritius in December means we can continue the critical work of deepening trade, investment, and commercial ties between the United States and Africa. And we know how important it is to keep the momentum going on that in 2026. Registration is now open, so we strongly encourage you to register today and book your accommodations as soon as possible. Now, turning to other CCA news from June, health is one of the key sectors we will be covering at the summit in December, and it is also an area where CCA has long-standing, ongoing engagement through our U.S. Africa Health Security and Resilience Initiative. This month, as part of that work, we hosted another session in our regulatory harmonization series, Scaling Africa's Health Markets, AMA, Rwanda, and private sector opportunity, bringing together regulators, policymakers, U.S. government representatives, and private sector leaders to explore how regulatory reforms are opening up new opportunities for investment and innovation in Rwanda, as well as across Africa's growing health markets. Thank you for your continued support of Corporate Council on Africa. We look forward to seeing you in Mauritius this December, and we'll see you next month for our next U.S. Africa Business Roundup.